This is what my garden looked like when it was still warm outside. And here is my frozen garden now.
Hello Studio Squad. For everyone new, I am Amber and this is Kiata Studio. If you've seen my last YouTube video, you will know now that I have pet chickens. Here is one of them. But in this video, you're going to see my very frozen and dead garden during the winter season of this year. Hopefully sometime soon, my chickens will help me with the garden.
Later this year, I plan on growing some herbs that are safe to be around my chickens. My garden is covered in ice and snow. I plan on moving to a different home this year. That's why I did not care about saving any of my garden plants. Here is my dog. My son came outside as well. I thought it was funny watching my dog step all over the snow and ice, but don't leave any footprints. It looks like my dog is trying to roll over to break the ice, but then gave up.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch it as many times as you want, and subscribe to Kiata Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video.